Welcome to the world of AI-powered digital fabrication in construction. Imagine building like it's a high-tech Lego set, where BIM models guide prefabrication, modular assembly, and CNC machines. But here's the twist. AI swoops in to make everything smarter, optimizing designs, predicting hiccups, and automating those tedious workflows. Let's see how AI turns construction into a playground of possibilities. Why is everyone buzzing about AI in digital fabrication? Well, AI helps zap manual errors, speeds up production, and boosts precision. Plus, it champions DFMA, designed for manufacturing and assembly, making sure everything fits together perfectly, just like puzzle pieces. Less stress, more success. Let's dive into the superpowers AI brings. First, generative design. AI cooks up modular components that are cost-effective, material-savvy, and structurally sound. Then, automated CNC instructions. AI turns BIM geometry into files ready for machines to cut, bend, and assemble. Next, predictive maintenance keeps CNC and robots humming happily by preventing downtime. Production scheduling? AI juggles demand and resources for the perfect workflow. And of course, AI quality assurance scans components with computer vision to make sure everything matches those BIM specs. Here's how the magic happens, step by step. First, prep your BIM model with all the fabrication-ready details. AI jumps in to fine-tune designs for maximum material efficiency and speedy assembly. Then, it whizzes up machine instructions for CNC and G-code formats. During production, AI keeps an eye out for delays or defects. Finally, AI links everything to logistics, syncing fabrication schedules with delivery and site installation. It's like a construction orchestra, perfectly in tune. Generative design is where AI gets creative. It dreams up modular components, factoring in cost, materials, and structural needs. Imagine a digital architect tirelessly crafting the most efficient shapes and systems, so every piece slides into place with ease. No more manual fiddling. AI takes BIM geometry and whips it into machine-ready files for cutting, bending, and assembly. It's like having an expert translator between your digital plans and the factory floor, making sure every move is precise. AI's got your back in the workshop. It keeps an eye on CNC and robotic systems, spotting trouble before it strikes and keeping downtime at bay. Plus, when it's time to plan, AI analyzes demand and resources to schedule fabrication sequences like a pro event planner, smooth and on time. Let's talk tools. From Autodesk Inventor with generative design to Grasshopper with AI plugins, smart robotics, and IoT-powered factory monitoring. These platforms make AI magic happen. And the benefits? Faster production, fewer errors, lower waste and costs, improved sustainability, and seamless integrated delivery workflows. With AI and digital fabrication, construction is more fun, efficient, and eco-friendly than ever.
Okay, team, that's a wrap. Go crush your day. Make those ideas happen, and keep the good vibes rolling. See you in the next session. Stay bold, stay brilliant,